Google Meet Scenario 6. And in this scenario, we're going to take a look at how you can actually start and initiate Google Meet from Google Docs, Google Meet, and Google Slides and Google Sheets. Let's say, for example, here we have we're looking at Nadia's account here, and they're working on this group project, and she leaves a direct comment to one of her collaborators. And for some reason, this text comment's not getting across the feedback that she wants. The collaborator doesn't really understand what she's explaining. So sometimes text isn't enough. You need to actually meet face to face. So if they're collaborating at the same time, she can take a look and see that her collaborator actually is online at the same time as her. So what she could do is she could suggest right here in the chat. Actually, I'm sorry, right here in the chat. Let's do a Meet video call, and then they will get that on their end, and they can respond, and they have responded. So what she can close, she can leave the chat open here, but there's the Google Meet button here in the top right corner next to share. When she clicks that, it's going to generate a Google Meet that's directly surrounded around this Google Doc here. So let's go ahead and start that again. Here's start new meeting. You allow. All right, so right now Nadia's the only one there. So there's a couple ways that she can get this to her collaborator by clicking on this copy button here. In this case here, if she needs to add it to send this Meet link and access to the document to somebody else who's not already a collaborator, she can click this here and send it to them. But in this case here, the collaborator already has access to it. So I'm just going to click there to copy it. And what Nadia can do here is open up the chat and paste that link in the chat. And then the collaborator can click on the chat and join in as well. I'm pulling some double duty right now, so and you can see that now there's somebody else here in the Google Meet. So this is available not just in Docs, but also it works the exact same way right here in Slides as well as in Google Sheets. So again, in Sheets, Slides, and Docs, you can initiate a Google Meet from a document just as this.